Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I want to explain what a case-sensitive ID is and why it's important. If you navigate to the top of a record in Salesforce and look at the URL, you'll notice this section here is broken out. This is the record ID. If I go in here and change this capital D to a lowercase d and click enter, I get an error letting me know that the record I'm looking for doesn't exist. That's because this is referred to as a 15-digit ID and is case sensitive, which becomes very important when referencing a record, specifically with Data Loader. This field is easily accessible via report and can be exported and used to map a file used for Data Loader, but there is an issue. The ID is case sensitive. If it's only one person manipulating the data, it typically isn't a problem. But if multiple people are looking at this file and changing details, the case sensitivity may become altered through various versions. Looking at this file as an example, column 1 shows the original opportunity ID, where column 2 shows what I got back in return. Somewhere amongst all the edits, the ID got translated to all lowercase values. So now, when I go to push these details into Data Loader, I may be updating the wrong record altogether, or more than likely will receive a bunch of errors and ultimately will be unable to update the data. That's a problem, but there is a solution. Salesforce has the option to create a case-insensitive ID, but we have to create this on the back end first through a formula field. So back in Salesforce, I'm going to go to the gear here, click Edit Object, and then I'll navigate to the Fields section here. Click New. The type of field that I want is a formula. My output will be text, and I will call this field 18-digit ID, and then click Next. The formula is pretty simple. I can find it on the right here. It's called CaseSafe ID, and I will insert the selected function, check by syntax, click Next, select the profiles I want to have visibility to this ID, click Next, and then automatically add it to the page layouts and click Save. Looking back at the record now, I can see that my new 18-digit ID field is here. If I look at the field, there's 18 characters obviously, and all of the letters are capitalized. If I go back to my report builder and look for this field, I can see that it is here as well. And I can add that in any report that I generate for the business. And once I get the details back, I'll know that I'll be able to upload these changes through Data Loader without any issues. If you found this video useful, please like the video and consider subscribing, as well as checking out some other videos on the channel. Thank you.